Hi guys, train 905 from Felix Hernandez. There's a train coming. Hope you guys can see it. There is a train. You guys cannot see it. There he is. There's a train. I know you guys cannot even see it, I'm sorry. Oh, hello.
Hello.
There is the train, I see it. It's dark. Give me a second, guys, a teacher. There's a train, you guys cannot even see it. There he is. And there he is. You guys cannot see the railroad crossing because of the cars and the trees, but you can see the train passing. There is the railroad crossing going up. You guys cannot even see it, but I saw it. Yeah, you guys, I just heard a train, so I just started running and recorded. I see I got my birthday gift. My birthday was yesterday, so someone gave me a birthday present today. Sorry guys, I was over there. You guys didn't even see the railroad crossing, but you could actually see the train, and you could actually hear the horn instead, but not the crossing. So I hope I got a good catch. Thank you everyone for watching. Train 105. Thank you.